Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the second version of this Google Sheet workflow automation in which we are pulling the data from Gmail account with some criterias and some trigger actions. So these are the criterias. The email from should be from this email address. Subject should contain service provider. The word here, you can type in anything. Mail days, I'm currently using 3 because on the email we have a 2 days old email. You can see it's 3 days now. So I have to type in 3 in here so that I can fetch this email. Otherwise, if I'll make it 24 hours or maybe 1 day, if you will put it 1 day, it will take the yesterday. Like any email coming from this email address with the subject this, and that is 1 day old. Like if I'll make it 2, it means after the before 2 days. So if there is any email, consider it today is 6th, so it will be considering it the any email coming after the 4th of the Feb, 2 days back. So currently I have to make it 3 so that I can accommodate. I can pull this email because email is 3 days ago, is from 3 days ago. Then the sheet name, result sheet name. Currently I'm getting the data in the sheet ones. You can always change the name of the tab and you can copy, jump in and paste it in here so that the red data, if you have multiple tabs and you want to get the data in a desired tab, uh you can just copy paste or maybe just change the tab name. And then there is another option where you can set the trigger so that it should run, the automation should run every day. One means every day, two means every second day. So I'll prefer 1 day. I'm giving you the control. Still, you can keep it as fixed 1, and then hours 900 and 0 minutes. So it means 900 hours, 9 a.m. Every day, 9 a.m. This is how you interpret it. And then I'll show you the menu where you can start. You have to do it only one time. All right, so this is the button, activate automation. Once you'll click it, it will go check these values and set up the trigger so that this automation will run every day 9 a.m. between 9 and 10 a.m. not an exact 900 hours. So this is how it's going to work. You just need to run this only one time. And if you are trying to make any change in the time or the date, then again you can just make the change and run the activate automation again. And apart from that, you can always use the manual option. And I have added further criteria so that if the same data like the name, ID, phone number, and the time of the meeting is already present in any of the data, then it will not paste the data again. And I hope there will not be any requirement for that. But in case if there is a requirement, please do let me know. So what I'm trying to say here is that, for example, if Christine with this email address and phone number has already an appointment in our database, but after some time, if you are checking for the last 2 days, and I hope there will not be any duplicate at the same time with same phone numbers. But if there could be, please do let me know so that I'll remove this criteria. Otherwise, what currently it is doing, let me show you. So for example, if Christine is there and I'm running the system again, pull the data from it because this data is already available. All right. All right. So I just made the change in the result tab name and I didn't change it in the script. So I just linked the script with this tab. All right. So for example, let me delete this record because this record is available in the email. So if I'll manually run it and it's going to update it one more time. But if I'll run it once again, it's not going to update the next time. But if I'll make it 3, so this is an older version maybe. And if I'll run this time again, it's going to add the new entry because this setting was not available earlier. So what I'm trying to explain here is that, and I am expecting that the same setting will not be repeated in any day. But if you want to do that, if you want to allow that for example, Christine has an appointment on 2nd of the January and then again 4th of January. If that is possible, then I need to make some adjustment so that it can it can allow the multiple or repeated instance for the same name and timestamp. But I don't think so. If there will be an appointment on 2nd of the January, then there will be another appointment on the same day, because that should be an older version or older setting. So I think what I have done is logical, and we can proceed with that. But in case if you find any difficulty or any uncertainty, I'll be there to modify it. All right, so this is, I have already tested. So if I'll make it for, so it means that we have a unique order, or maybe Christine has an appointment on the 2nd of the January. So if I'll run the system again, it's going to add a new entry because I have a new setting which is not matching the above entries. So now let's make it maybe 3rd of January. I'll keep the same formatting. And now the names are same. The name is present. Email address is same. The phone number is same, but the date of the appointment is different. So if what will happen if I'll run it again, it's going to add another entry, because it will find, okay, there is no same matching entries available in here. The other than this one, the names are different. Similarly, if any of these field is different, it's not going to update the new entry. I hope this is making sense, and you just need to activate the automation. I'll change this icon of this menu. So what you have to do, you just need to activate the automation and it should start working. There's another change, because I have made this file on your behalf, and my time zone is a bit different. So how you need to change, you can select your time zone. Sorry, let me stop it. So how you can change your time zone for this particular sheet? You can click on File, go to Settings, and here you can change your time zone. You can select maybe +10 PST or whatever the time zone your is currently. You can just select it from here and it's going to work fine. And after selecting the time zone, you have to activate the automation so that it can create a trigger for every day 900 hours to run this and fetch the values and find if there are any not if no matches are already available. So there will be no repetition of the same appointment for the same person with same email address and phone number. And yeah, if there is any new entry, those will get fetched in here. That's it from my side. Please do let me know if you find any difficulty or you want to have any further conversation or any clarification should you require. Looking forward for your response. Take care. Bye.